In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Outlook. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to back up your contacts, move them to another account, or bring in a list from somewhere else, all without losing any important information. Let's start with exporting your contacts, which is really just a way of creating a backup or a file you can move to another email service. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main window where you can see your mail, calendar, and contacts options. Up at the top left, click on the File tab. This opens the Backstage view, which is where Outlook keeps all of its account and data tools. On the left side, look for the option called Open and Export. Click that, and then choose Import/Export. This opens the Import and Export wizard, which is where you'll handle both exporting and importing. To export your contacts, select Export to a file, then Continue. Outlook will ask what type of file you want to create. Choose comma-separated values, often called CSV. This format works with most other email services and spreadsheet apps. Next, you'll pick which folder you want to export, expand your account if needed, and select the Contacts folder associated with the account you want to back up. Then, choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file, and give it a name that you'll recognize later, like Outlook Contacts Backup. Finish the wizard, and Outlook will create your export file. It may take a few moments if you have a lot of contacts. Now, let's import contacts into Outlook. This is helpful if you're moving from another email service or using a contact list from a CSV file. Again, go to the File tab, then Open and Export, and choose Import/Export. This time, select Import from another program or file. Click Next, then choose comma-separated values. Browse to find the CSV file that contains the contacts you want to bring in. You'll see options about handling duplicates. You can choose to replace duplicates, allow duplicates to be created, or skip duplicates. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your situation. When prompted to select a destination folder, choose your Contacts folder. Before you finish, you may see a mapping screen that lets you match columns from your file to Outlook's contact fields. Take a quick look to make sure names, email addresses, and phone numbers line up correctly. When everything looks good, complete the wizard. Outlook will start importing, and once it's done, open your contacts to confirm that everything appears as expected. That's all you need to successfully import and export contacts in Outlook.